Welcome friends. This is 510 square feet house design, wide 17 feet and front 30 feet, 2 feet 6 inch for step. Next 3 step for plinth height 1 feet 6 inch. Next hall with stair. This is floor plan details. If you first time in this channel, please subscribe my channel. Next kitchen with dining, open kitchen, 4-seater dining table. Next corner side, toilet and bathroom, toilet and bath. Next bedroom 1, master bedroom, bedroom 1, master bedroom, and bedroom 2, study bedroom. Next column, this is 12 column or column size 10 inch by 10 inch. Maximum distance column center to center 10 feet 5 inch, 10 feet. Next wall, outer wall 5 inch thick, and partition wall also 5 inch. Lintel height 7 feet and sill level 30 inch. External wall. Next plinth height, ground level to floor finish level, this called plinth height 1 feet 6 inch. Water logging area. Next internal wall, internal wall 5 inch thick. If you like this video, please like and share with subscribe. This part for stair. Three-fold stair. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 18 steps. Next dimension. At first stair, 2 feet 4 inch wide stair, tread 10 inch and riser 7 inch. Three-seater sofa and TV set, TV unit, 8 feet 4 inch by 9 feet 9 inch including stair, three-seater sofa and opposite TV unit. Next, kitchen with dining, kitchen slab, state slab. If you want to L size kitchen, L size kitchen, kitchen slab 22 inch wide and 30 inch height. Next, 4-seater dining table size 4 feet by 2 feet. Kitchen size 6 feet by 5 feet 10 inch. Height 2 feet 6 inch. Topmost. Next, ventilation. One window, 3 feet height and 1 feet 6 inch wide. Ventilation, kitchen ventilation. Just can provide this sink portion. Next, window 4 feet 6 inch height and 4 feet wide. Window on dining portion. Kitchen with dining size 9 feet 2 inch 19 feet 2 inch by 6 feet. This part for wash basin, you can provide wash basin or electric purpose just under the stair. Bedroom to study bedroom, window this side may provide two bed. Window size 4 feet 6 inch wide and 4 feet wide. Window study bedroom 10 feet by 9 feet 9 inch. Two window set on master bedroom 4 feet 6 inch by 4 feet. Bedroom size 10 feet by 11 feet 9 inch. Next, door size bedroom door size 3 feet 4 inch. Study bedroom, that can be 3 feet 4 inch. Next, toilet and bathroom. This toilet and bathroom door size 2 feet 6 inch wide and 7 feet height. Toilet size 6 feet 5 inch by 4 feet. One ventilation should provide 2 feet by 1 feet 6 inch. This is ground floor plan with details dimension. Next, construction cost. 30 feet by 17 feet, 510 square feet. Total cost 6 lakh to 7 lakhs. Thanks for watching.